Hello. Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching. Hello. I'm in a bit of a lively mood today, so I really want to sing a lively song. Now, I know that my cousins are watching, Ellie and Lou, and you two are crackers. So I kind of want to sing a crackers song for you today. It's called it's not called Banana, it's called Un, a Dau, a Tri, Banana. Oh! Are you ready? Do you know it? If you don't know it, it goes like this. Un, a Dau, a Tri, Banana, Pedwar a Pump a Chwech Banana, Saith a Wyth a Naw Banana, 10 Banana Melyn. Right, now you know it, we're going to sing it again and again. Are you ready? Un, a Dau, a Tri, Banana, Pedwar a Pump a Chwech Banana, Saith a Wyth a Naw Banana, 10 Banana Melyn. Now we can go faster than that, can't we? We can go super fast. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Un, a Dau, a Tri, Banana, Pedwar a Pump a Chwech Banana, Saith a Wyth a Naw Banana, 10 Banana Melyn. Un, a Dau, a Tri, Banana, Pedwar a Pump a Chwech Banana, Saith a Wyth a Naw Banana, 10 Banana Melyn. Hey! Un, a Dau, a Tri, Banana, Pedwar a Pump a Chwech Banana, Saith a Wyth a Naw Banana, 10 Banana Melyn. Now this time, when I sing Un, a Dau, a Tri, you say banana, but you got to say it really, really loud. We'll give it a try. 1, 2, 3. Banana! That's right. Here we go. Un, a Dau, a Tri, Pedwar a Pump a Chwech, Saith a Wyth a Naw, 10 Banana Melyn. Should we do it again? Really loud. 1, 2, 3. Un, a Dau, a Tri, Pedwar a Pump a Chwech, Saith a Wyth a Naw, 10 Banana Melyn. I love that song. I will see you again tomorrow on another gorgeous day. Bye for now. Hwyl am y tro, and never ever ever stop being crackers. Bye bye. Banana.